Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn a 8th class story. The name of the story is Math Magic. Math means mathematics, magic means cook. ताମାନେ mathematics means गणित, magic means cook. Math kid magic means गणित cook. Now let's move to the text. Yes, the name of the story is Math. What did I say? Math Magic. Pre-reading, that is introduction. There are 30 chocolates. How many chocolates?
30 chocolates.
35 chocolates. I read wrongly. I read 30 instead of 35. 35 बदल 30 पढ़ीदेली. Didn't I? पढ़ली कि नहीं? पढ़देली. I made a mistake. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲ କରିଦେଲି. So there are 35 chocolates. How many chocolates?
35 chocolates.
You have to divide. What do you mean by divide? ताको भाग करिब. You have to divide them among 3. Among means मध्यरे. 3 means 3 जन मध्यरे. You have to divide. What have you to do? You have to divide among how many? Among how many? 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. How many? 3. You have to divide among 3. How many chocolates? 35 chocolates will be divided among 3. Right? 3 जन भितरे भाग कराहब, बंटा हब. The first one will get means पाइब. will get means पाइब. First one is प्रथम जनक will get पाइब 1/2 of the, that is 1/2, 1/2 of the total chocolates. जेते chocolates अच्छी total means सर्वमोट. मोट चॉकलेटर ठीक अधा प्रथम जनक पाइब. कैन यू डिवाइड 35 by 2? कैन वी डिवाइड 35 odd number or even number? Tell. Odd number, because in units place there is 5 and there is a formula. If 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 is in units place, that number cannot be divided by 2. विभाज्य होई परिबो नहीं. So it is called an odd number. So the second will, द्वितीय जनक will get 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. 1/2 means अधा. So the second one, how much? Sorry, how many will the first one get? The first one will get half of the total. Second one, 1/3 of the total, 1/3. And the third one will get 1/9. First one half, second one 1/3, and third one 1/9. Right? Can you divide the chocolates? Can you divide करि परिबो कि among the among the no math and you are sorry among three without breaking the chocolate. I said camel. Did I say camel or chocolates? What did it? Chocolates. Okay. So can you divide the chocolates among the three? ତିନି ଜଣ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ତମେ ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ ବାଣ୍ଟି ପାରିବ କି? ୱିଥାଉଟ୍ ବ୍ରେକିଂ ଦି ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ସ, ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ ନ ଭାଙ୍ଗିକିରି ତମେ ବାଣ୍ଟି ପାରିବ କି? ଏକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ଦି ପ୍ଲାନ୍? नो। ଇଫ୍ ୟେସ୍, ଯଦି ହଁ, ୟୁ ରିଡ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଟୁ ସି ହାଉ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୁ ବି ଡନ୍। ଏଇଟା କେମିତି କରାଯିବ ଚାଲ ଗପଟା ପଢ଼ିବା ଏବଂ ଜାଣିବା। ଓକେ, ଲୁକ୍ ଏଟ୍ ଦି ପିକ୍ଚର। ହୁ ଆର୍ ଦେର୍? ଏ ମେନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସିଟିଂ, ଦ ମେନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡୁଇଂ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ। ସେ ବସିଛି କିଛି କରୁଛି। ହିୟର୍ ଏ ବିଜନେସ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ରାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଏ କେମେଲ୍। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ କେମେଲ୍। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ରାଇଡ଼ିଂ ଦି କେମେଲ୍। And this is a desert, that मरुभूमि। केमेल को मरुभूमि रो जहाज कुहाଯାଏ। The camel is called the sheep of desert. Could understand? Now let's move to the next page. Yes, read paragraph 1 to silently and answer the questions that follow. Once upon a time, what did I say?
Once upon a time.
Means what? Thare. Once upon a time means thare. There lived a young man. Young man means jubaka. There lived means basa kortula. There lived a young man. Who lived? A young man lived in an Arab land. ଆରବ ଦେଶରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୁବକ ବାସ କରୁଥିଲା। Where did the young man live? Yes, the young man lived in an Arab land. ଗୋଟିଏ ଆରବ ଦେଶରେ। One day, what do you mean by one day? ଦିନେ sitting on a sand hill, बालिहुंका, बालिकुद, sitting on a sand hill, he was counting the flocks of birds. He was counting, गणुतुला, the flocks, दଳ of birds, पक्षी दଳ गुड़ाक गणुतुला, flying in the sky, आकाश मार्गरे उड़ुतुबा पक्षी दल गुड़ाको गणुला। What was once upon a time there lived a young man in an Arab land. One day sitting on the sand hill he was counting. Who was counting? The young man was counting. Counting what? Birds, the flocks of birds, the groups of birds were flying in the sky. Who were flying? Who were flying? The birds were flying. Where? In the sky. He counted the birds. Who counted? The young man counted the birds. The young man counted what? Birds, right. And wrote their numbers. Write, wrote, written. Wrote lekutula. Yeah. Wrote means lekhila. So he wrote their numbers. Ta na lekutula on sand. Se बाली उपरे मरुभूमि रो बाली उपरे नाई लेखुतुला गणुतुला लेखुतुला. Who? The young man. A man riding a camel. You saw a man riding a camel in the picture. So A man riding a camel was passing by that way. At that time, a camel man came, or a man who was riding a camel came there, passing by ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ସେ ତାକୁ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରି ଯାଉଥିଲା. Who was
ଗୋଟେ ଅଟୋ ଉପରେ ଲୋକ ବସି ଯାଉ
ହଁ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଅଟୋ ଚଳେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲା. Who was riding the camel? A man was riding camel. Who passed that way? The camel man passed that way. He was surprised. Who was surprised means आश्चर्य ହେଇଗଲା. Who was surprised? The camel rider was surprised. The camel man was surprised to see the boy counting the flying birds correctly. Correctly ମାନେ ଠିକ ସଠିକରେ
ଶିଖିନେ
ପୁରା ସଠିକରେ.
ସବୁ ଲେଖି ଦଉ
Who was counting correctly?
young man
The young man was counting correctly. Who was surprised? The camel man was surprised to see it. Right? Actually, no one count flying birds. उड़ी जाऊଥିବା ପକ୍ଷୀ କି we can't count କରିପାରିବା? No. Impossible.
କେତେକ ପକ୍ଷୀ
ହଁ.
ପଳାଉଛି ମତେ
Tell in a loud voice. କେତେବେଳେ କିଏ ଆଗକୁ ପଳଉଛି କିଏ ପଛକୁ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି. So we can't. But that young man could count the flying birds. Flying birds. How can he count? ସେ କେମିତି ଗଣି ପାରୁଛି count the number of birds flying in large groups? ଏଡ଼େ ଏଡ଼େ ଦଳରେ ଉଡ଼ୁଥିବା ଉଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିବା ପକ୍ଷୀମାନଙ୍କର ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ସେ କେମିତି ଗଣି ପାରୁଛି? Count means ଗଣିବା. You know counting numbers in mathematics. One is a counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. are counting numbers. Because we count things with the help of this, with the help of these
number
digits or symbols or numbers. Right? So anyway,
ଆମେ ସେଟା ଦେଖି କହିଦଉଛେ ଦେଖି
you are right. So flying in a large groups, he thought. Who thought? The camel man thought. He was surprised. He asked himself, ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ପଚାରିଲା, ଉଡ଼ୁଥିବା ପକ୍ଷୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦଳ ଦଳ ହୋଇ ଉଡ଼ୁଥିବା ବେଳେ କେମିତି ଗଣି ପକଉଛି? What a wonderful thing I saw. He got down. Who got down? The camel man got down. That ମାନେ ସେ କେମେଲରୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲା. କେମେଲ ପିଠିରୁ ଓହ୍ଲେଇଲା. Who got down? The man. Went near the boy. Near means ନିକଟକୁ. The boy went near the boy. ଯୁବକ ନିକଟକୁ ଗଲା. And asked means ପଚାରିଲା. How he could do it? ପଚାରିଲା.
ତମେ ଏଟା କେମିତି
ଏମିତି କେମିତି କରିପାରୁଛ? The young man said.
ସେ କହିଲା
ଯୁବକ କହିଲା, I worked as a shepherd. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଈ ଜଗୁଆଳ ବା ଛେଳି ଜଗୁଆଳ ରୂପେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି. ୱାର୍କ କାମ କରିବା. shepherd boy with a rich man. ଗୋଟେ ଧନୀ ଲୋକ ପାଖରେ ଗାଈ ଜଗୁଆଳ ବା ଛେଳି ଜଗୁଆଳ ବା ପଶୁ ଜଗୁଆଳ ହିସାବରେ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି. Who said?
the young man said
Who worked as a shepherd boy? The young man the young man worked as a shepherd boy. With whom? With a rich man. I learned how to count the sheep every day. Sheep ଛେଳି ମେଣ୍ଢା ମେଣ୍ଢା
ମୁଁ ସେଇଠି ସବୁ ଗଣି ପାରିଲି.
I learnt ମୁଁ ଶିଖିଲି how to count the sheep every day. ପ୍ରତିଦିନ କେମିତି छेली मेंढा काउंट करियार मु शिखिली देन यू विल गेट ए गुड जॉब ताहले तू तो भल चाकरी पाऊ हु सेड इट द कैमल मैन द मर्चेंट सेड इट विल गेट मीन्स पाइबू कम विथ मी मो सहित आसे विथ मी सहित कम विथ मी कम केम कम verb मो in our last class I have told you what are verbs and what are nouns. Verbs means kriya, nouns means things, vishesha things, action words, naming words, verb action word, noun naming word, jinisha. Yes, right. Now comprehension question, bodhagamya prashna. What was the young man doing? The young man was counting the flying birds. Yes. Who saw him? A man who was riding a camel saw him. Why was he surprised? He was surprised to see that the young man could count the large groups of flying birds in the sky. How did the young man learn counting? The young man worked as a shepherd boy with a rich man. The young boy worked as a shepherd boy with a rich man. Every day he counted the ships. In this way, the young boy learnt counting. What did the man say to praise the boy? Yes. To praise the boy, the man said that he would get a good job if he went with him. Right? Now let's move to the next page. Yes, this is the next page. Could understand? Read paragraph 3-4 silently and answer the questions that follow. The man took him on his camel. Who took? The man. Who took whom? The man took the young boy on his camel. तार camel उपरे बसई ओटो उपरे बसई से लोक युवकटी को नेला. He promised means what? ed लगी कौन कही remember I have told you verb past tense regular verb. So he promised him a job. ताको गोटे काम धंदा दब बोली प्रतिज्ञा करथिला विथ द किंग रजार दरबार रे ताको गोटे चाकरी करे दब बोली प्रतिश्रुति देथिला. हु प्रमिस्ड हुम? द मैन प्रमिस कैमल मैन प्रमिस्ड द यंग बॉय. ऑन देयर वे तांकर जीवा रास्ता रे दे सा 3 पर्सन्स. पर्सन्स मीन्स व्यक्ति. 3टी लोक देखिले क्वारेलिंग झगड़ा करछंदी. हु वेर क्वारेलिंग? द 3 पर्सन्स वेर क्वारेलिंग. हु सा इट? द मैन एंड द यंग मैन सा इट. वेर on their way and 35 camels. Where they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels. 3 जन लोक देखिले आउ 35 camels देखिले ओटो देखिले. How many camels? 35 camels. Standing nearby पाखरे छिड़ा जन निकटरे. Their quarrel was on how. Their quarrel means तांकर झगड़ाटी थिला on how किपरि to divide the camels among them. तांको मध्यरे किमिति ଅଟୋ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ବାଣ୍ଟିବେ। ଦିସ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦେଇର କ୍ୱାରେଲ୍। ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ଝଗଡ଼ା। ଦେଇର ଫାଦର ହେଡ୍ ଡାଇଡ୍। ସେ ତିନି ଜଣ ଯାକ ବାପାର ତିନି ଜଣ ଯାକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ବାପା ମରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଡାଇଡ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ମରିଯିବା। ହୁ ହେଡ୍ ଡାଇଡ୍? The three persons father had died, but he had a will. Will means इच्छा पत्र। से बुढ़ा बापा गोटे इच्छा पत्र लिखि देइथिले बिफोर हिज डेथ। डेथ मीन्स मृत्यु, बिफोर मीन्स पूर्वर। तांकर मृत्यु पूर्वर द फादर wrote had written a will. Who had written a will? The father. When? Before his death. According to his will, according to means अनुसारे। his means तांकर, will means इच्छा। तांकर इच्छा अनुसारे the eldest son would get बड़ पुओ पाइब half of the camel. Half means 1/2, 1/2, half of the camel. से इच्छा पत्र लिखाई देला बड़ पुओ अधा केमेल पाइब। The second son 1/3, 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9, that is 1/9. This was the will. But they had 35 camels, only 35 camels, to divide among themselves. तांको मध्यरे बांटिया ପାଇଁ ମାତ୍ର 35 କେମେଲ ଥିଲା। Right? This was difficult. Difficult, you know, कष्ट। एज पर दी फादर्स विल, बापांकर इच्छा अनुसार दी एल्डेस्ट ब्रदर विल गेट 17.5 camels. The second little less than 12 camels, and the youngest son little less than 4 camels. Comprehension questions. 1. What did the man promise the boy? The man promised the man promised the boy a job with the king. What did they see on their way? On their way, they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels. Could you understand? On their way, they saw 3 persons quarreling and 35 camels standing nearby. Next, what was the father's wish? The father's wish was that the first son would get half of the camels, the second son 1/3, and the youngest son 1/9 of the camels. This was difficult. What was difficult? This was difficult means to divide 35 camels as per the father's will was difficult. ବାପାଙ୍କର ଇଚ୍ଛା ମୁତାବକ 35ଟି ଯାକ କେମେଲକୁ 3 ଜଣ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବଣ୍ଟନ କରିବାଟା କଷ୍ଟ, difficult. Could you understand? Very interesting story, isn't it? Very interesting story. And that is end of today's lesson. We will have the rest in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
Welcome.